Hey guys, Brian with B-Stride DIY. I'm at Home Depot right now. I want to show you some of their deals going on and savings in late July going into August here. And stay till the end of the video. I'm going to show you some of their clearance deals. Now for $50 off, they had these 18 volt 1 plus 2 tool compact kits with the drill and driver. And then for $149, they had the 2 tool combat kit with the circular saw and drill, as well as the bag and everything. For $9.88, they're saying there's a $41 value. You get the 6 spade bit set with the 2 extra spades here. This one on the left here is showing that they have the 2 extra spades in the front. This is from Diablo and the Speed Demon line here. Now for $100, you're saving $50 on this DeWalt 1600 amp lithium power battery. It's like a jump starter basically for your car. For $29, you're having this 2 amp fully automatic battery charger and maintainer. So if your car has been sitting for a while, this might be helpful if you're having a hard time getting it started up and you just need to charge the battery. Now this is $50 off. This is the tool only, keep that in mind. It's the 20 volt max job site van from DeWalt. And for $129, they're saying it's a $180 value. It's a 2-pack of the 4 amp hour 20 volt batteries. And then for $129, it's the 20 volt brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill kit. And they had this down at the bottom, but if I touched it, all this was going to start going off. So for $249, that's $50 off. They've got the 60 volt max brushless worm drive circular saw. And then when you buy any one of these tools, you get a free battery. You've got the oscillating tool, sheet sander, hammer drill, drywall tool, drywall screwdriver, cutoff tool, ratchet, atomic wrench, and then the battery pack and charger. So you would get a free extra battery when you buy any one of these tool deals. It's a little bit confusing because the sign said get this battery free, and then right under it has the battery and the charger. So maybe you get both for free, who knows. So for $199, you're getting the FlexVolt reciprocating saw. And they had all those tagged here. They got the brushless 4.5 inch grinder for $199. That was $70 off. And then you're getting for $179 the 9 amp hour 20 volt max battery. For $24.97, about $6 off or $5 off, is this 25-foot tape measure. And then for $19.97, you got the torpedo level. Now Milwaukee had a lot of these bundle deals here, or at least when you buy one of these tools, you get a free battery. So on the top there, you got the high level tool, you get the $199 value high output battery, and then you get the regular battery on the bottom deals. For $14.88, or well now it's $11, is this 2-pack of 25-foot tape measures from Husky. These do feel pretty hefty and like they're not going to break apart. So for $11.97, you're getting this 18-piece continuous drive ratcheting screwdriver set. I think I've covered this in another video, but you can change directions with that one. Now this is a new product from DeWalt. It's their Tough System 2.0, and it's like a stacking device. These drawers are really smooth coming out, and this is just one of them here. And it looks like in the description or in the picture here, they've got the big one on the bottom. You can see that one here. I think that one's, I'm not sure that's the right price, but it says $129 here for this one. Now this is one of the smaller ones for $69. And this one in the picture I'll show you, they have it kind of sideways on the top, and then they have like 3 smaller ones where they kind of line up to where you can stack them that way. Now these are some of the deals. This is a 4-tool combo kit from Ryobi. It's $159. It was $199, and it does include the 4 amp hour battery and 1.5 amp hour battery charger. And over to the left here for $109, you're going to be saving $30 on this 1/2 inch angle grinder cutoff tool. And Ryobi had quite a few deals. I think Ryobi Rigid and Milwaukee, as well as DeWalt, had a lot of deals. Now this is from Rigid here for $169. You get 1 tool free when you get this battery max output starter kit. And these are the qualifying tools here for $179. You've got the mid torque impact wrench, the 7.25 inch circular saw, the 18 volt brushless reciprocating saw, or the 18 volt max output battery. And these are just some other savings from Rigid. For $299, you get the 18 volt brushless 2-tool combo kit. $129, the 18 volt 2-tool combo kit. $59, the 18 volt hybrid job site fan. $499, you're saving $50 on the 10 inch portable table saw. $99 on that drill driver kit, $99 on the 2-pack of the battery 2-pack, and $159 for the drill driver kit. Now this is saying this is their most powerful 18-volt brushless 2-tool combo kit for $349, was $379, so not a crazy savings. I mean, it's $30, but it does come with the batteries, charger, and the toolbox here, saying it's a $650 value. And then from Milwaukee, for $399, it was $479. They've got this multi-tool kit with the circular saw, drill driver, it looks like the one-handed reciprocating saw, chargers, batteries, in the tool carrying kit. It's a 4-tool combo kit. And then for $379, this is $20 off. This is their 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring kit. And this is what this looks like. They have the tools off to the side here. And then DeWalt has some deals as well. They didn't have as many, it seemed, but they had some clearance yellow tag deals. They were like on hammer drill drivers. This is a 1 for $160, was $239. They are tool only though deals, except this one at $230 was $329 for their hammer drill driver kit. That comes with everything you need: battery, charger, tool bag. And this is the 20-volt max atomic impact driver, $119. You're saving $40 there. And that's the tool there off to the left. And then this is the clearance section here. So for $399, this is the rigid 12-inch dual bevel miter saw. It doesn't say what it was before as far as price, but that does still seem a little bit high. I would think maybe $350 would be a better deal, but I'm not sure what it was originally. I'm guessing like $429 or something. So they did have a lot of like construction hardware. They did have this 4-tool combo kit from Milwaukee for $199. A little bit of savings here, so not too bad. I said tool bad instead of too bad. That's funny. $50 off there. And then for $154, this is the 7¼ inch sliding miter saw from Ryobi. And this is a close-up, at least of the side here. I think it's got a 3-year warranty on this one as well, and this is corded, of course. So coming up top here a little bit, they did have a lot of hardware. These are some MVP screws, and then they had some brackets up top for like decks. And there you go, some staples as well. So this is a pretty good deal. $280, it was $379. So this is a Ryobi 18-inch chainsaw. It is cordless, so that's really nice. 40 horsepower, 40 volts, I'm sorry. And that's $100 off, so not too bad on that. Now coming down, oh, that's just the same deal there. So come on over to the left, for $135, you're getting the Ryobi 40-volt fan blower kit. So that's a pretty good deal because you're getting the kit there. You're getting everything you need to get started, battery and charger. Now this blower down here, it only is the tool, so it doesn't come with the battery. So I think it's probably almost better to pay the extra $9 and just get the kit. But if you already have a battery, then I mean you're all set with this one here. Now this is the mower. It's a 40-volt, 70. It runs for 70 minutes. It's $6.99. It says new lower price, although it doesn't tell you what the price was before. It says 21 inches of cutting. I didn't see a ton of savings on the other mowers though. I did see some savings on like outdoor furniture. This is a patio set here, $199, $100 off. And I think it's because of the location of these, as well as summer is kind of wrapping up a little bit. 2-person swing, $100 off at $399. These are just some side tables that are yellow tagged here. And this is the area that they're going to have the Halloween items at. So I would think they're trying to get rid of a few things if they're able to. I would think they would be putting those out in probably maybe 2 weeks or so, 2 to 3 weeks. I might be a little bit behind, but. And then next up is this $199. It says it's a great gift. It was $479. So that's a pretty good deal. This is a 44-inch outdoor fire pit, or gas fire pit. And that's a pretty good deal, over half off there. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty decent look. They have the door off in the picture, which looks a little weird. But they have these tables that says you can mix and match, $10 off a piece on these. But go ahead and check out this next video I review. It's a 4-plane laser, a laser level. So I'll go ahead and tell you why you may need that 4th plane, or if you don't even know what a fourth plane is, I'll go ahead and check it out.